All right, guys, I'm fresh out of a shower here. No grease, I'm about to shave. And I thought I would do a quick sort of unboxing. I've already looked at this. But I got an order from West Coast Shaving the other day, and it included this. This is Omega's, I believe it's the 636 shave brush. It's kind of the small one, I guess. I haven't really compared it. Yeah, it's noticeably smaller than my Art of Shaving Genuine Badger one here. So this is supposed to be silvertip Badger, which I'm still learning about this stuff, but I guess this is from like the neck, under the neck or something like that, one of the softest parts of the badger fur. And it's supposed to, I mean, it doesn't really feel that much different. It's a little softer, dry, but the real sell for this is, I guess it's supposed to soak up more water for a better lather. So I thought it would be fun, since I have to shave anyway, to do a side-by-side, literally, of these and see how they compare with one another. Let me get this. I've got all these little accoutrements. I guess when you spend like 60 bucks for a shave brush, they feel like they're going to do something to make it seem fancy. This is, I'm going to let you see this up close. This is actually, it's got a beautiful handle here. I don't even know what you call this, tortoise, I guess. It's got a nice weight in the hand. About the same weight as this larger brush, but it's a little more concentrated in the handle. Now, in addition to this, I also got a sample pack of sandalwood shave creams from West Coast Shaving, and I don't know what all they have in here. George F. Trumper, Taylor Bolt Bond Street. There's several brands. I think there's 7 of them. So I'll be trying those out at some point and maybe doing some reviews, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. This is something I got at Target. It was like and I just saw it the other day and I can't remember the name of it. But it's some generic store-bought shave soap, nothing super fancy. I've been shaving with it for a while. It's okay, not great. So we get the water nice and hot here. As hot as the water gets in my bathroom. This new place, the hot water doesn't last real long. And it has to, I'm like the farthest part of the house from the hot water heater, so. So not too bad. Doesn't get super saturated. I'll spread this on the left side of my face and see how it lathers up. If you haven't tried the wet shave experience, shaving with a brush, I really recommend it. There's nothing quite like it. Of course, finding a good shave soap is half of the adventure and half of the battle. The best shave soap that comes in a puck like this that I've used to date is probably Mitchell's Wool Fat, which was being raved about on the forums. It was like legendary. So I tried it. It's pretty good. I'll get some eventually and do a review, but I'm well fixed for shave soap for the moment. All right, so let's try this guy now. See how this lathers up. Now the selling point for these silvertip badger brushes, like I said, they're softer hair, they're supposed to be more absorbent, they're supposed to soak up more water so you get more lather, and so far it really looks like that's true, because I don't think I've ever had a shave brush that looked like that after I lathered it. So let's see how it goes on the old mug here. Wow. Very different application here. I know it probably doesn't look much different, but there's a lot of soap in here, and I could probably do 2 passes with just what's in this brush. I'm just lathering half my face and it's not even really getting warmed up. They shed a little bit when they're new. That's normal for most brushes. I like it. I really like it. Feels good. The trick is to not really mash it into your face, because you don't want to splay the bristles out. The whole point is for them to kind of spread this stuff around and lift the hairs up and kind of gently scrub the skin to exfoliate and kind of prep it for the viciousness of your razor blade. So they look about the same, but I've got kind of this, which is okay. I've got this. I could probably shave 2 more people with what's on this brush here. So I'm pretty happy with this. I feel like it was probably worth the expenditure. I convinced myself that how often do you buy a shave brush? I guess for you nuts that like have to get one every 3 to 6 months because you have to try every kind on the market or every brand. Maybe that's a loaded question, but for most of us normal people, it's not something we're going to be buying all the time. So I thought I'd get something good that will hopefully last a lifetime and give me a lot of use. So let me know how many of you guys have used Omega brushes. By the way, just to tell you a little bit about them, they're made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's a very renowned company. How many of you guys use Omega brushes? If you don't use Omegas, what brand do you use? Do you like Badger? Do you like horsehair? Do you like synthetics? If you do use Badger, do you like just kind of the fine Badger, or do you like the silver tips? Tell me what you've been using, what you like, why you like it. They all have kind of their pros and cons and different things that they work well with. So like I said, I'm still learning about this. West Coast Shaving has a bunch of information on their site, and then you can find some shave forums and find probably everything you never wanted to know about shaving on there as well. So, look around, check that stuff out. And like I said, you guys really need to check out the wet shave experience with the shave brush and soap. And also, shake the oil out of it here. And also the double-edged safety razor, which is far superior to any cartridge gimmick that you're using from the grocery store, and infinitely cheaper in terms of cost of blades. I get about, conservatively, I get about 4 shaves per side of the blade. I can get more, depending, especially depending how much I prep my beard. And I can get 100 double-edged razor blades for 20 bucks, easy. So, you know, when you figure the cartridges are about, you know, 20 bucks for 4 or 5, and you maybe get 2 or 3 shades each out of them, it's kind of a no-brainer. So anyway, but I'll talk about that in another video. Let me know if you guys are interested in hearing more about that. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this scruff off my face because I have to work again tomorrow. I had 1 day off this week, and it was today. And I spent half of it at the trainer, and I went out skateboarding for the first time in a long time. So I didn't last long. My endurance needs to come back, but I have some stuff I'm going to share with you about some new pads I got, some new shoes I got. I'm also looking to get a hold of some shoes. I heard that Braille Skateboards is making shoes now, and they're not made in China, and I'm so excited to try them. These ones that I have are America, and they're not made in China either. I think they're made in like Cambodia or Vietnam or something, but really good, really nice high tops. So I'll be doing a review of those at some point for those of you who are interested. That's it, guys. I'll catch you later. Have a great day, and God bless.